and he is established this Jamiatul Azhar. There are two hostels in Jamiatul Azhar. First hostel is Azhari hostel and second is Qadri hostel. Azhari hostel established Huzur Tajul Sharia and Qadri hostel established Huzur Qaid Millat Hazrat Asad Raza Khan. Azhari hostel is 5 floors and 107 rooms in Azhari hostel and almost 80 to 100 rooms in Qadri hostel. And one room sleep 8 students of madrasa. 8 students live in madrasa. And there are 2 big libraries in this Jamia.